Hello everyone. So in this video, we will be talking about TCS NQT result full process, each and every detail in a single video. So first of all, as we guys know that TCS NQT interview results are declaring in the phase, okay, and they are starting from today only, okay. So the result declaration process of TCS NQT started from today only, and we can see few results declared today, okay. Now each and every day we will be seeing some results getting declared, okay. Let's talk about this. So first of all, who got the results? So very few students got the result, namely some from the region of Kolkata, some from the region of Maharashtra, some from the region of Odisha, from the region of Bhopal. Okay, so these are few confirmations which I have, which some students, very few students got the result. It is not related to any kind of phases. It is not related to any kind of you can say test date. Just you can say it's a random process, and few students got the results from these separate reasons, okay. So these reasons have some confirmation. I already talked about these things in the main channel KN Academy, and we have some confirmations around it, okay. Now talking about now results will come daily, so this is one of the most important part. So if you can see, so 14th July today is the date when the results are started, and now you will see the daily results, okay. First of all, you do not actually need to check anything on the portal. The main thing is the document mail or the offer letter mail, okay. So now TCS will daily send the document related mail, document verification mail, or offer letter, okay. And daily we will be getting some few results, okay. So starting from today, now today is 14th. Now you can expect we have 15, 16, 17th, okay. You can say in next 1 to 2 weeks, just we for the safer side we can take the date as 30th of July. So before 30th of July, majorly we can see almost 60 to 80% of results getting declared. So before 30th of July, in many phases the results will get declared, and you will also get the results soon, okay. And starting from today, the results are already started, okay. Now talking about the results, so this kind of mail is a basic you can say a temporary document verification. This is temporary document verification. What is the use of it? Okay, just talk about this. What is this temporary document verification? So to move ahead with your offer letter, with your offer letter, the temporary verification process is required, okay. Why it is required? First, you will submit all your temporary documents, or you can say the current documents which you have, you will submit. After proceeding with these documents only, you get your offer letter generally, or you may also get your offer letter before submitting it. But this is a temporary solution to just check overall eligibility criteria, if the candidate is meeting the overall criteria or not, and verifying the basic details of the candidates, okay. For verifying the basic details of the candidate and meeting the basic eligibility criteria, this kind of temporary documentation mail, document mail students get, okay. In this, if you can see here, urgent and important document check, TCS NQT hiring batch of 2025, you are required to send only one PDF consisting of below mentioned documents merged together in orderly manner, in which Aadhaar card and college ID, class 10th mark sheet certificate, class 12th mark sheet certificate, bachelor's all semester wise mark sheets with CGPA percentage mentioned in it, class 10th mark sheet certificate, okay, and bachelor's passing certificate, provisional or degree certificate, and if you have done masters, then master's certificate, work experience related certificate, or passport size photo is required. And points to be noted, you can see here the basic points. If you have any kind of work experience, you can read the points, okay. So this is the temporary document verification which TCS did, okay. And generally, if you got this mail, you are almost selected, okay. You are selected, okay. So this we can say, if you got this mail, you are almost selected, okay. Now talking about offer letter, so this kind of mail today candidates already started getting. Like if you can see here, the date is 14th of July, and this is for Bhopal. So offer letter is basically your final selection of TCS. This is the next step. okay, in which you need to log in to your next step portal, and then you need to download your offer letter. Okay, download your offer letter. This is the basic thing. Now in your offer letter you will be getting some basic things. Okay, in the offer letter you will be getting basically the details of the role designation and each thing. Okay, and in the offer letter you will be getting the other details related to TCS policy and all. Okay, and this is your final confirmation that you got selected in TCS, and this is the next step. This is the next step. So when you will actually get your result like this, and you will get finally get your offer letter, TCS will issue your offer letter, you will get a mail like this. And when we talk about onboardings, okay, so suppose if you got this offer letter very early, expect the onboarding in next 2 months, majorly next 2 months. So majorly TCS actually delays the onboarding if they produce the result late. Okay, so next 2 month majorly we can say many of the onboardings can be done. And this is the basic offer letter, acceptance of offer letter. After accepting the offer letter, you will get a mail like this. Okay, so this is the mail for today which a candidate got. Okay, then process, talking about first of all, this is NQT document verification done separate. Okay, so there are two things. Okay, sometimes TCS do the temporary document verification when they invite the candidates to visit to the office, and they say just submit your document and please done with your document verification. So then this is the separate thing, and candidate do not receive any kind of temporary document verification in this case. Okay, suppose they are inviting you to the office and they are saying that complete the document verification. Majority in these kind of cases, they do not get any kind of temporary document verification, this kind of mail. Okay, they directly got the offer letter. Now the next step is temporary document verification. So many candidates gets this temporary document verification basically to, and this mail will be directed by the recruiter directly. So you will get in your inbox directly by the recruiter. Okay, in which they will be asking you one file combined with the all documents which I told. Okay, so this is the temporary document verification process. Then there is offer letter mail and offer letter accept mail. So okay, I already showed you what is offer letter mail and offer letter accept mail. Then main background verification. So this main background verification we need to do on the TCS next step portal, and this will be the next step. Okay, next step portal. On the next step portal you need to complete your background verification, and after I think the main date of the background verification, I'll just confirm about it. There is something 60 to 90 days, something like that, or 30 days. I am not just confirmed. I will just confirm in few days, and I will talk about it. Okay, so main background verification you need to actually do on the TCS next step portal, and you need to follow all the steps of background verification, in which there are a lot of things. You need some signed documents, attached documents. Also you will need to generate NSR. Okay, there are a lot of process in background verification which you need to complete on TCS next step portal. Now coming to the background verification, this is the main background verification which you need to perform on next step portal. Okay, and there will be many documents required. I will be making a separate video for background verification because it is a very lengthy process, and in which you need to upload all your documents on TCS next step portal, and you need to complete the background verification process on the next step portal itself. Also it includes to upload some signed document and uploading NSR. Okay, so this kind of things also you need to done, and this is the final process of the document verification. Whatever you will be submitting here in the background verification, that would be taken place just to check your all details like address verification, right, and candidate verification. So everything whatever you will be uploading here, so that would be final. Okay, and this is the background verification process. After that the onboarding process starts. Okay, then next step is onboarding process. So this will be the whole process, and the whole results are, if you can see here, already started. And all the best for their results if you got selected. Thank you so much for watching.